Hello friends, so today we will talk about sheep and you. Okay, so right now we can see that its value is point 4 times 0, then 41378 dollar. Okay, 47% profit in one day. That's great even. Okay, so I'm not taking so much time. I will just tell you if you want to track the holder of sheep and you, where to go and how you can track that, what we call that burning, you know. So just this is the small contract. This is a token. This is not a coin. Shiba Inu is the smart contract which is deployed on the Ethereum blockchain. Okay, so as you can see over here is the contract, and this is deployed on the Ethereum blockchain, and this is the address. So just copy the address, go on the etherscan.io. Okay, just enter this and simply paste this address. You will get autocomplete. Just click on the autocomplete address, whatever is there, and you have to click on the Shiba Inu token. This is token tracker. So this is token. Basically we tell this is, we call this is Shiba token. This is meme token, I guess. So this is a website. If you will click the website, you will go to this page and you can have a lot of things. Okay, you can go through this and get the idea. This is the Telegram channel, and join Telegram channel. This is CoinMarketCap. This is CoinGecko. This one is Uniswap. So right now we can see they have total this much of address. Okay, so and this much is supply they have when they started. This is total supply. Okay, this much the address they're getting. So if we will talk about the holders, so these are the holders having this much of amount of value in their wallet. This is crypto.com. Then Binance is there. This one is a smart contract. Okay, this Hubai, Binance, Gate.io, OKX. Okay, so if somebody has 445 billion Shiba coin in their wallet, that person has this much of amount in his wallet. So you can assume how much rich this guy is, whoever addressed this one. So let me check when he purchased this token and what price. Just click on that. Oh my god, so just one day before he got this much of amount. Okay, okay, he is only one Shiba. Might be it would be some contract. Okay, because if this is, I don't think so, this is normal holder, it could be some smart contract. That is the reason this token, this address has this much of token. But you can find out these things. This is the way to find out, and this is already website. This is the smart contract address. Okay, so just go on Twitter and just type @sheepburn. Okay, sheepburn @sheepburn. So you will get to the Twitter account, and they have clearly mentioned that we can see that 32 minutes before they have said that in the past hours there have been this much of amount of sheep token burned and one transaction. So far this is the total supply of sheep token has burned. Okay, out of which they have one quarter in supply. So if you don't understand how much zeros are in quadrillion, let me tell you very simple way. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. This is 1 quadrillion. Okay, let me bifurcate. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. This we call 1 quadrillion, and if you will add 2 more 0, it could be 100 quadrillion. Okay, so this is total supply, out of which they have burned 43.03%. Sorry, 43.03%. Right now we can see on their Twitter account, it is clearly mentioned that they have burned this much amount. So if you want to track these things, they have one more website, sheepburn.com. so they have two addresses, address 1, address 2. Okay, so it's clearly mentioned over. Let me just refresh this. 3 minutes ago this something has happened. Okay, so they have something like this. You can go through this and you can track. Okay, right now it is not okay. 18 minutes ago from this address to sheeps, let me find out what is this indicate. So from this address to black hole, okay, this much of Shiba sheep token has burned. So $4 had burned from this address to this black hole. Black hole is, it's like dead wallet. So whatever token will be go to dead wallet, nobody can recover those things. It's lost forever. Okay, and this could be smart contract. Okay, might be, because if they are burning something, so they cannot burn from anyone's address. Might be this would be smart contract. But if you have any query, you can ask their Telegram channel and I can find out things. Okay, so this way you can track down things, how much token they are burning. An hour ago, if you will click over here, we can see this is a black hole. So $153 amount of SHIB token has sent to black hole. So guys, you can think how the fast they are burning this token. So the token will burn and then price will go up. That is a funda. It's very simple funda. Okay, it's not a very big deal. So this is my first video and simple video on the base of SHIB token. Okay, you can also find out that supply over here, and this is their supply which is there circulating 33639312315. This must supply they are circulating, and this is your supply. Okay friends, so this is my simple video. Whenever I will get more time, I will make video on this kind of token. So enjoy and have a great day. If you really like this token, then like my channel and subscribe my channel. So whenever I will make new videos, definitely it will come to you. Okay friends, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day ahead.